Hi, I'm Kyle, and I'm feeling really inspired and moved right now because I just ended a session with a client, and I feel like through our work together, this client is learning to cry and learning that it's okay to cry and to be held when this person cries. And I feel that, and they've also told me that, an appreciation that they've learned that it's okay to cry. It's so beautiful to see this person over time, over our session, over consecutive sessions, become more and more okay with going into that feeling and letting that out and being held and being seen in that and it being okay and it beautiful and to be comforted in that and to have it be okay that like maybe in our society they don't have it together, like have it all together in that moment, which in some ways is such bullcrap. So I just wanted to share that. I feel so honored, such an amazing experience for me. And also, it feels so beautiful and meaningful to see what I believe is this person crying and letting go of sadness or pain or tears that have been locked up in them for years and maybe decades. So, thanks for watching.